The host stands confidently against a backdrop emblazoned with "Boost Your Studies with AI," igniting curiosity about the fusion of artificial intelligence and academic achievement. The host shares the revolutionary idea of studying felt effortless with an AI tool that offers smart flashcards, practice tests, and quizzes. The host excitedly reveals that Quizlet makes it possible to master any subject effortlessly. The host promises to demonstrate how Quizlet works and how to study smarter. The screen declares, "What is Quizlet?" as viewers are ushered into a digital realm showcasing AI-powered learning. The host proclaims, "Quizlet is a powerful learning tool that helps students with flashcards, quizzes, and interactive study sets to boost memory retention and prepare for exams." The host highlights, "But here's the cool part, it now uses AI to personalize your study experience." On screen, the tutorial unfolds, revealing the secrets of Quizlet, guiding viewers through a seamless journey from sign-up to AI-powered learning. With each click and scroll, the host unveils the magic of study sets, showcasing the power of AI-generated flashcards and personalized learning. The host declares, "Here's how you can get started with Quizlet in 3 easy steps." Step by step, the host reveals the secrets to mastering Quizlet, from free sign-up to AI-driven study sessions. The screen illuminates the studio with a bold question: "Is AI studying good for you?" The host confidently asserts that AI should enhance learning, not replace it. The host emphasizes, "Quizlet is amazing for memorization and revision, but remember, AI is a tool, not a replacement for real learning." The video concludes, urging viewers to explore Quizlet and share their thoughts. As a final invitation flashes on the screen, "Try Quizlet today." A subscribe button, animation, and channel logo are displayed on screen, beckoning viewers to engage. The host encourages viewers to share their thoughts and engage with the channel, promising more AI tool reviews for students. The host says, "So, would you try Quizlet AI for your studies? Let me know in the comments." And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more AI tool reviews for students. More videos coming soon, stay tuned.